Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I made a escape room for Janik and I'm gonna trap him there because Valentine's Day, you know, because I wanna bond with him. I saw this idea on El Mills video and I thought it was amazing, so I really wanted to do this for Janik. Are you ready to be trapped?
I'm ready.
I'm so excited, but wait.
What?
Give me a second. Look at him. What a weirdo. That looks scary as hell. Welcome to the Love Escape Room. We probably need the light because our apartment sucks. You're officially trapped in this room.
Well, I can just open the door.
No. Actually, yeah. Damn it. I need to.
You forgot the key.
Whatever. Let's pretend that it's locked.
You locked the door.
Yeah, I hit the key without locking the door, but shh, just pretend it. Let's pretend. Okay.
Okay.
So you need to find the first clue in the room.
There. There once was a boy. Yes, I'm talking about you. Me?
Mm-hmm.
In order to start, find how much I love you. How am I supposed to find that?
You can read it again to get more clues and stuff, you know?
You love me that much that we even have a lighter with a naked woman laying around here.
No, babe, no.
Oh, it says I love you, and you underlined I love you.
Mm-hmm.
So I have to find something that says I love you. What says I love you? Something. Oh, ha! The teddy. So this one says Ich liebe dich in German. So you probably meant the English one. Did you? No. What did you mean, y'all? Here's nothing.
It's an escape room. You have to figure it out and look. Yeah, I'm trying to stay silent as much as possible.
Wait, maybe underneath?
By the way, did you see that I'm rhyming?
No. She's usually the worst at rhyming. Mm-hmm. Whenever she rhymes, it doesn't rhyme.
But this one was right.
But this one actually rhymes.
Because I used you and you.
Maybe you don't mean this thing. Oh. This escape room is unsolvable. Here? Kuschel, wuschel. Doesn't make sense. Tell me, what did she do to you? There's nothing, you know.
Are you sure?
Eric, I think we got a scene here.
Eric? What are you referring to?
Guys, the murderer is on the run. Here's nothing. Okay. Here we have.
You put that tape there. You put it there.
What does this tape tell us? I would say it was connected to something on the glass. The question is, why? Whatever, here's nothing. Here's a dead mosquito.
It's a dead mosquito.
Babe, I need your help. I need the first clue.
No. No.
What?
There is something there.
Here is nothing.
I didn't say inside.
I lifted it up already. Maybe. Oh! Oh, that was mean. That was smart.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. One really warm day, he was nowhere to be found, but ended up being somewhere gambling around. And a dollar sign. Vegas. We have a photo book, and in the photo book there are photos of Vegas. Let's go.
That's the only thing we have about Vegas.
Is here something from Vegas? I'm not even sure.
He doesn't even know if there's anything from Vegas there. I thought he was gonna get it way faster, at least the first clue. So this is probably gonna take a while.
That was wrong. What else do we have? A photo from Vegas? No, that was not Vegas. There's a frame missing, but that frame is not from Vegas. Well.
I'm shocked that he's not getting it. I'm so shocked.
Vegas! There's your phone.
Oh my
I
god.
didn't see it. Okay. I'm a professional detective. Okay, let's see what it says. He spent all his money, but he did find his price. He took lots of photos and uploaded them from his device. My phone, I had my phone in the pocket the whole time, so that's impossible.
Or her device, whatever.
Okay, your phone then. Let's see your phone.
No! Stop checking.
Oh my
Those were the other. Did you read?
No,
I had the other clues there. He's totally cheating.
No,
My phone is not part of the game, okay?
you were just not careful enough when you created the crime scene. When you created the crime scene. Okay, your computer. Yeah. there it is.
Oh, you know.
Ah.
You can sit down.
Janik, click here. Wow.
Mm.
Pretty good, pretty good. But first I'm gonna read this, I guess.
Yeah.
I cannot read your...
My handwriting?
Yeah.
Is it that bad?
He loves to edit. Photoshop was the way. But first he needed to remember her birthday. I know your birthday.
Okay. So click there.
20/07/1993. What?
How dare you?
That's your birthday, dude. What did he put? July. Let's see. Nah, that's gonna be wrong. Okay, 20 July. No. Password hint, just birthday.
Password hint, dude.
I'm already on it.
What other way can you write birthday?
Okay, what? Okay, wait. 20.07. Dot. Tick, 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 tick. What the heck? 20 July. Tick, tick, tick. Man. 7.
You would start with 7?
Of course.
You start
But
with a
maybe in
month?
Mexico they do it weirdly.
Oh, okay.
And do it the other way around.
I don't know.
Oh, did I start with 7 the whole time? I would never start with 7. What am I doing? What the hell's wrong with me? Okay. 20 dot. 7 dot. Tuck, 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 tuck. No.
Why are you adding a
20.
slash and a dot, dude?
27.93.
Oh
my god. Don't open. Maybe you want me to open it.
No.
No. Oh, Photoshop. Photoshop is already open. Photoshop. First clue. He edited like crazy because he likes perfection, but he definitely needed some love and affection. So here's something. Oh, here. Second clue. Being in front of the computer, look at your right cheek. What? My right cheek. Underneath?
No.
Oh, in the photo. Not in real life. Look at this. Look at this butt. Oh my god.
Look
Look
at me.
at his butt. Made him look like a ghost. Look underneath your shoe. So tell my baby down center.
Tell me, my baby.
Oh, so
Yeah, I read it wrong. I read it wrong.
what game do we play the most? Dog, definitely dog. Let's check this. Dog is a very cool game. We love it, and I pretty much like always win. Zack. The key! I got the key! I got the key to unlock the unlocked door.
Yeah, but just pretend that you're unlocking it.
Okay, I'm unlocking the door. Oh!
I didn't have time to put it there.
Such a bad move.
Nobody's there. Wow, what is that?
Wow, what? How did this get here? Now I have to build a sentence out of this. What? You managed?
You managed to.
You managed to. I'm so pleased. Happy. Did you forget Valentine's Day?
You forget. You have so little trust in me.
I'm happy for you. No, that's not it. You managed to get out. I'm happy for you to manage. What?
To?
Oh, you managed to get out. So please never forget how much I love you.
Yay!
Happy Valentine's Day! Happy Valentine's Day!
Do you like it?
I love it.
Was it actually good?
It was a lot of fun.
I had a lot of fun doing it.
Yeah.
And I was so excited to do it with
It was
you.
fun.
Yes!
Yeah!
Guys, happy Valentine's Day. I love you.
I love you too.
So, see you next week or whenever.
Adios, muchachas.
Cheers.